What's up, this is your boy Rico Mentals, and today I woke up in the morning and found out that Ecstatic Beats just dropped a new single from his upcoming album called Black as F. So without further ado guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And now let's start with the reaction. Wow, that's nice, that's nice.
Ecstatic, you are bad genius.
Yeah. Hey, boy, don't be ridiculous. This shit way too serious. I'm sounding like a jack.
The mastering is way too dope. It like reminds me of like Flame. Like most of his vocals, he mastered them like this.
Wait a minute, she be genius. Niggas getting tight, you feel it. Get the fuck out your feelings, bro. Means to get it back and get it popping for the family. I'm the basic, mommy and addict. I smoke Mary after Mary. Black of the berry, you know.
The reverb game is dope. You know, guys, I love reverb. And then the vocals, like this is what I always say, and I also make this mistake sometimes, because you know sometimes the beat can like influence you to like do other things, and then if someone didn't produce their like song, they wouldn't know, because like when you're producing the song, you can find out some hard parts, like when you end the bass, it like clashes with the beat.
The story, but they never tell it. Paper chasing every day. Over time, it never resting. In me a mansion, shorty you're savage. I'm the baddest, you get embarrassed. Fuck with your boys, and do it my own way. Hop in the X train, you in the hallway. Tell it the G way, crime pace. I been moving like a boss. I been thinking for a cause, annihilate. Everybody on my way. I been running to the gate. Yeah. And then
the Aero 8 is nice. I don't know if like they penned this Aero 8 to play left and right, but then if they did, that's not cool. But then I don't think they did. I think the Aero 8 is just powerful. But then if they did, and I think this Aero 8 is dope. And I want the AOX send me this Aero 8.
every day when I wake up, my nigga, I want the K. Shorty fucking with me. She heard I got the K.
Oh man, the like percussions, like when they drop, man, it's dope, man.
And all the niggas ain't on me cause they know I got the K. Yeah. Started from the bottom.
Back up, meeting back up, yeah. Started from the bottom. The back up is nice. Wow.
Remember all them days when I didn't have no food up on my motherfucking plate. I still wonder how I made it out, so every day I pray to the Lord, yeah. Started from the bottom. Remember all them days when I didn't have no food up on my motherfucking plate. I still wonder how I made it out, so every day I pray to the Lord, yeah. Let me think about it. Don't you tell me you got me.
I'll say it again, guys. Reverb, I'm on we and this is what I always like advise you guys to do. Reverb, right? Like put reverb on your vocals. Don't be scared. Just set it right. It will sound good. I promise. Reverb is the ultimate key to like good sounding vocals and EQ.
You gotta be about it. And don't you tell me you love me, I gotta see that shit. If you're riding, you gotta be on your OJ shit. Kill them all, cause I'm high, I'm lit, I'm out of
the delay, I love it.
my shit. I'm thinking about money, I'm thinking about whips. I'm hitting a league, I'm fucking your bitch. I'm not with the talking, I'm getting my cheese. I'm high, I'm lit.
Ooh, big up, yeah, I'm high, I'm lit. It's nice, I love it. Man, the Ecstatic Beats is dope, man.
I'm out of my shit, I'm thinking about money, I'm thinking about whips. I'm hitting a league, I'm fucking your bitch. I'm not with the talking, I'm getting my cheese. I'm high, I'm lit.
The harmonies is dope, man. Man, Ecstatic just really went like beyond his comfort zone, man. It's nice, man. I wouldn't like expect him to be like shouting like that, like doing those harmonies, but he did, man, and it paid off. It sounds good. He did. So bro, it's nice. And then mind you, Ecstatic is a beat maker. He's a producer, and then he's also a rapper. But then listen to his sound. It sounds way much better than like most rappers out there.
I'm lit, I'm out of my shit. I'm thinking about money, I'm thinking about whips. I'm hitting a league, I'm fucking your bitch. I'm not
I was saying like on my previous video, I think it's the first episode or like the second one, which I said, don't pen like shiara, like you should like always make it like penna left and right at the same time. So like this is what I was talking about.
What is I get? I'm getting started from the bottom. Remember all them days when I didn't have no food up on my motherfucking plate. I still wonder how I...
And the beat, guys, the beat is dope. So it's nice, I like it. It's dope, man. So it's like way beyond my imagination.
I made it out, so every day I pray to the Lord, yeah. Started from the bottom. Remember all them days when I didn't have no food up on my motherfucking plate. I still wonder how I made it out, so every day I pray to the Lord, yeah. I'm high, I'm lean, I'm out of my sheet. I'm thinking about money, I'm thinking about weeks. I'm hitting and lean, I'm fucking your beach. I'm not when I'm talking, I'm getting my G's. I'm high, I'm lean, I'm out of my sheet. I'm thinking about money, I'm thinking about weeks. I'm hitting and
So like this beat, the like main thing which drives the beat, cause like the Aero 8 it's like so powerful. So like that's what I'm saying with the Aero 8 drives the beat more than the kick, and then which is good. Sometimes you know the kick must drive the beat, and then sometimes like don't make them like both to like drive the kick to like drive the track. I mean, cause like everything will clutch. So you should just decide, and then sometimes you can just hear which one sounds better, and then use it.
I'm fucking your beach. I'm not with the talking, I'm getting my G's.
And then there comes the harmonies again. I think you use rods, right? I told like on my last video, but I told you guys the first one or second. I always forget, but I told you guys how rods have rods.
It's that you are bad.
So that's it, guys. That's the end of the track. Pray to the Lord. That's nice. I liked it. The only thing is just that they like the vocals. You know, they deserve some more of the love, bass and so on. But then, as I said, I don't know if the man are ended the way they like EQ. If the man are like EQing the vocals the way they was going to like clutch with the Aero 8. So I don't know. And then for that, I'll just stick with what I'm saying, because I don't know. But then I have to say, but then if like it did clutch with the bass, and then I understand why he did what he had to do. But then overall now I give the track a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. That's nice, man. Like shout out to X Derek. And then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys.